everybody, I am Barb Steinberg, a teen life coach for girls, a parent coach for parents of tween and teen girls, and a speaker on parenting teen girls. Today I want to talk to you about a cute story that I experienced with my niece that really relates to us raising our girls in a way that with more self-esteem. So the other day, my niece, I just have to admit, I think she's the cutest little 3-year-old on the planet, about to be 3. And she came over to our house and she needed to use the bathroom and there was no diaper in sight. And she was about to have this big monumental moment that we have in life where we learn how to go poo-poo on the potty. So I'm sitting on the couch with my 14-year-old teenager. She's in the bathroom, Verena, with my sister, her mom, and there was success. She goes poo-poo in the potty, and it's a big moment, and we can hear her in the bathroom through the door saying, "Good job, Verena, good job." So she's saying this to herself. "I'm so proud of you." And she was saying, "I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Good job, Verena." And I turned and I looked at my son and I said, wouldn't that be great if we all went through our days saying good job to ourselves, and I'm so proud of you and I'm so excited for what you just did. And he's scrolling on his phone and he looks at me and he goes, "Yeah, all the girls in my school need to learn that." He's 14 and in 8th grade. And I thought, wow, even a 14-year-old boy, 14-year-olds, adolescents, you tend to be a little bit focused on yourself rather than on others. Even he's noticing that the girls his age going through adolescence are very hard on themselves, very critical of themselves, and that they also need to learn to say, "Good job. I'm so proud of you." And that really struck me. Both of those interactions struck me. I just thought, can you imagine how we would feel if that's how we were responding and speaking to ourselves on a regular basis? So it made me a little bit sad also, because I'm thinking, when our kids are really little, we're so free-flowing, everyone is, with the accolades and the pride and the excitement, and our faces light up every time they do something. And I'm thinking, you know what? Maybe we don't want to get rid of that. Maybe when they're 14, 16, 18, 25, we still want to get super excited and celebratory when they've accomplished something, when they're being in a way that makes them feel good and those around them feel good as well. So I'd throw that out just to kind of remind us to speak that way to our girls, but also to remind our girls, to teach them and remind them to say that kind of really kind, celebratory language to themselves. So I'm hoping that you will talk to your girls today and remind them to say to themselves, "Good job, great job, I'm proud of myself, I'm so excited for myself, I did well." So take that and let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for listening.